Blanket belt for heat transfer printing machine. It is made of 100% Nomex fiber. This kind of felt is the main component of the heat transfer printing machine. PAG prints and papers are transferred to the fabric using high temperatures and compression. The purpose of the sublimation felt is to press the fabric against a printed sublimation paper, both against a heated drum. The contact between the fabric and the printed paper needs to be long enough to ensure the transfer of the dyestuffs to the fabric and garment. Heat transfer printing is an economical way to print synthetic fabrics. This belt can also be used for the following machines: laminating machines, Calandra sublimation machines, roll-to-roll heat press machines, textile printing machines, flatwork ironer machines.